In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Premium account. To get started, open YouTube in your web browser or launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button and select it. If you already have a Google account, you can simply sign in and move on to the membership setup. If you don't have a Google account yet, choose create account and enter the requested details such as your name, birthday, email address, and password. Then complete the verification process to finish setting up the account. After that, sign into YouTube using your Google account. Once you're logged in, tap or click your profile picture to open your account menu. From there, select purchases and memberships, or choose the YouTube Premium option if it appears directly in your account area. This will take you to the section where you can view premium offers available to you. Next, review the YouTube Premium membership options shown on your screen. Depending on your location, you may see different plan types, so take a moment to choose the one that best fits your needs. It's also important to check the subscription price carefully since pricing and available plans can vary from country to country. Once you've selected your plan, choose a payment method. YouTube may offer several supported payment options based on your region, such as a credit card, debit card, or other local payment methods. Make sure the billing information is accurate before continuing, since this helps avoid problems during checkout. Before you finalize anything, review the full subscription details. Confirm that the plan, price, billing information, and renewal terms all look correct. This is a good time to double check everything so you know exactly what you're signing up for, including whether you're starting with a trial or a paid subscription right away. When everything looks right, click the button that says Buy Start Trial or the equivalent option shown on your screen. Then follow any additional payment confirmation or verification prompts that appear. After the purchase is complete, go back to Purchases and Memberships to confirm that your YouTube Premium membership is now active. Once you see it listed there, you're all set. You can start enjoying premium features like ad-free YouTube, background play, offline downloads, and YouTube Music Premium. If you want, you can explore those features right away to make sure your membership is working properly. And that's how to create a YouTube Premium account.